Good morning, students. Today we will start our English grammar class. Today we will start a new chapter, chapter 14. Joining words or, but, and, because. Look at here, children. What is joining word? Joining words are used to join words or one part of a sentence with another. So, joining words are used to join one sentence to another or one words to another. Here, some joining words like and, but, or, because. When we put and, look at here, in the above set of words, and is a joining word. The word and at first you look at here, cup and saucer, sun and moon, salt and pepper, door and window. In the above set of words, and is a joining word. The word and helps us to join two or more words. It can also join different sentences together. Like Rina went to the market. This is a sentence, and another sentence is Rina bought a doll. We can write like this to add the joining word and. Rina went to the market and bought a doll. So you can understand it. Then others we can see here, but it joins a sentence with opposite ideas. Example, I like ice cream, I don't like milk. Here we can written like this. I like ice cream, but I don't like milk. Or it is used to join words or sentences when we want to show a choice. Like, we can take a train, we can take a flight. We can take a train or a flight, because it is used to join sentences when we want to give a reason. Example, I cannot go out tonight. I have to finish my homework. So, this can be written as I cannot go out tonight because I have to finish my homework. Here some sentences we put here circle and the joining words. Bolin and Bijoy. Here and is joining word are brothers. Bolin is clever but lazy, but is the joining word. Bijoy is active and hardworking, and they keep their books and toys neatly in their room, and they play football or cricket in the evening, or after dinner they watch television because they want to relax. Because Bolin mostly misses his school bus in the morning because he sleeps till late. Because Vijay is always ready on the time as he sleeps early at night. Next, complete the following sentences by adding and, or, but, because. Number 1, Mrs. Gupta is a healthy and active. Number 2, I like singing, but I don't like dancing. Number 3, do you want an orange or a banana? Number 4, I cannot go for swimming today because I have cold. Number 5, I have one brother and two sisters. Number 6, I will study till late night because I have an exam tomorrow. Number 7, they painted the door blue and the windows red. Number 8, will you have a muffin or cookies? Now, given below are pairs of sentences. One of them is correct. Tick the correct sentences. One has been done for you. 1. I must clean my room and it is very untidy. I must clean my room because it is very untidy. This is correct sentence. Number 2. I like vada but pizza. I like vada and pizza. This is also correct sentence. Number 3. I have a bouquet of red and pink flowers. I have a bouquet of red or pink flowers. No, this one is correct sentence. 4. You can take a blue but a red pencil. You can take a blue or a red pencil. This one is correct. Number 5. Amit is hardworking and intelligent. Amit is hardworking or intelligent. 5A is correct. 6. Anu or Tanisha plays with marble. Anu and Tanisha play with marble. B is correct. 7. He is a small boy or he helps all his friends. Number B. He is a small boy but he helps all his friends. 7B is correct. There are some pictures. Look at the following pictures. Frame sentence using the joining words. One has been done for you. Rashi and Ronnie are friends. You are also make the joining words and complete this sentence. This is your homework. Okay. Next day I will give you the worksheets and the exercises pictures also. So you can learn it properly. Thank you.